Welcome again, children. Let's start today's lesson. Today's date is 3rd of February 2021. Day is Wednesday. Subject English Literature. Topic is lesson number 14, The Wise Men of Gotham. This is the last part of the lesson. So, we are going to cover the leftover exercises of this lesson in today's class. First, we are going to start with the C part, grammar. Preposition of time. When we are talking about the preposition of time, the question starts from when. Okay, question starts with when. When means it's talking about the time. Read the following sentences. First, we go to school at 8 o'clock. Class 2 is going for a picnic on Sunday. Diwali is on the 12th of November this year. Preeti and Shri watch television in the evening. We have our dinner by 7 in winter. So, in the first sentence, we are talking about the time at 8 o'clock. In the second sentence, we are talking about the day of the week, that is Sunday. In the next sentence, also, we are talking about the date. Now, it's the date on the 12th. In the next sentence, we are talking again about the time of the day, that is in the evening, morning, evening, afternoon, this type of time. Okay, and by in the next sentence, last sentence, we are talking about the time by 7 and the season in winter. So that's how these are the ways, and these are the preposition at, on, in, by. These preposition we use to show the time or season or date or day, and that means these are the prepositions used for showing the time. Now, useful phrases. Preposition of time tell us when something happens. So these prepositions of time, the or, by, in, on, at, these prepositions tell us when something happened. Now, what are the useful phrases? Remember these useful phrases. Okay, at is used with at night, at dawn, at Christmas, at the weekend. Then by bedtime, by 1 o'clock, by tomorrow. In the morning, in April, in summer. On is used with on Sunday or on weekday. On Christmas Day, on the 1st of August. So that is on जो होता है जब हमें बिल्कुल श्योर होता है, वो वाली चीज़ के साथ यूज़ होता है. एट भी हमारा बिल्कुल श्योर वाला टाइम है, बट बाय होता है इस टाइम तक. इन द मॉर्निंग, इन अप्रैल, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो एक वेक टाइम होता है. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ at, by, in, or on. First sentence is the children go to school dash the morning, that is in the morning. They came back home in the afternoon. They finished their homework by 6:30. Okay, by 6:30 means होता है कि 6:30 तक आप उस टाइम तक काम खत्म कर लेते हैं. नॉट एग्जैक्ट 6:30, थोड़ा 5-10 मिनट्स आगे पीछे हो सकता है. सो बाय 6:30. Okay, that's why we are using by, not at. Second sentence, Mr. Singh listens to the news at 9 every night. At 9 का मतलब होता है ठीक 9 बजे. Here no here and there, no 5 or 10 minutes here and there. ठीक है. यहाँ पे at 9 means exact at 9. Okay, Mr. Singh listens to the news at 9 every night. He has dinner at 9:30. Exact 9:30 पे वो डिनर करते हैं. He goes to bed by 10, और 10 बजे तक वो सोने चले जाते हैं. That means 5-10 minutes आगे पीछे भी हो जाता है. So he goes to bed by 10. Third, Naren was born at 7 in the morning on Friday, the 3rd of November 1962. Here we are using three prepositions. At 7 in the morning on Friday, the 3rd of November 1962. Fourth, grandmother lights a lamp in the temple at dusk. Okay, in the temple at dusk. Fifth is dash winter, in winter I ski, and dash summer, in summer I swim and climb mountains. In winter, I ski, and in summer, I swim and climb mountains. Next is we will be in Goa on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day, we like to have a lot of fun in Christmas. In Christmas. Why? क्योंकि ये क्रिसमस डे एग्जैक्ट हम क्रिसमस डे पे आएंगे बट क्रिसमस की पूरी छुट्टियां हम lot of fun लेंगे. So in Christmas, okay, we will be in Goa on Christmas Day. We like to have a lot of fun in Christmas. Then D part, writing. Writing sentences, the clever crows. So this is a story about clever crows. You have to look at the following pictures carefully and write two sentences for each of the picture. Okay. Some useful words and phrases are given. You have to use those words and phrases for writing the sentences. Like first one, a hungry crow watching, eating a bone happily. So the two sentences that I have made up. A hungry crow was watching a dog. Second sentence, the dog was eating a bone happily. A hungry crow was watching a dog. The dog was eating a bone happily. Second one, the first crow, the second crow make a plan, snatch the bone. Sentences are first sentence, the first crow met the second crow. The first crow met the second crow. Second sentence, both of them make a plan to snatch the bone. Both of them make a plan to snatch the bone. Now turn the page. Phrases are the second crow pecks at, turns around, looks angrily. So the first sentence is the second crow pecks at the tail of the dog. The second crow pecks at the tail of the dog, pecks at the tail of the dog. The dog turns around and looks angrily at the crow. The dog turns around and looks angrily at the crow. Next phrases are leaves the bone, runs after, flies away. Sentences the dog leaves the bone and runs after the crow. The dog leaves the bone and runs after the crow. Next sentence is the crow flies away. The crow flies away. Phrases are picks up in its beak, flies to its friend, foolish dog, the clever crow's happy. First sentence, the first crow picks up the bone in its beak and flies to its friend. The first crow picks up the bone in its beak and flies to its friend. Second sentence, the foolish dog looks at the crows and clever crows were happy to get the bone. The foolish dog looks at the crows and the clever crows were happy to get the bone. Okay. Next is E part, listening and speaking. Stranger in the set. Now I will say the words and you will circle the strange word in the set. Here, here, here. So strange word is here. Okay, circle it. Through, bow, flew. Through, bow, flew. So through and flew are same and bow is different. So circle the bow. Wet, wait, wait. Wet is the different word. Circle the wet. Owl, bowl, fall. Fall is the different word. Circle the fall. Here, bow, wet, fall. Now activity, write true and false in the boxes. First is a wise man finds faults. A wise man find fault with everything. False. Second, a fool fights for no reason. True. Third, a wise man stays calm during argument. True. So this is all in this lesson. Thank you.